Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. CarPlay must be active on the head unit and a free input available. Once confirmed, plug in the Android-based dongle into USB or HDMI. Make sure the dongle is powered by 12V or by the car's USB with stable output. While the dongle boots, enable developer options on your Android device and turn on USB debugging. This lets the device communicate with the box. Once done, pair the dongle with your phone per the manufacturer's quick pairing step. Next, complete the dongle's on-screen setup. Choose CarPlay pass-through so the unit forwards CarPlay signals while hosting Android apps. Make sure to apply any firmware updates. Connect the dongle to a PC, run the updater, and wait for a verified success message. This fixes compatibility quirks. Then, on your Android phone, grant required permissions like screen capture and input access. Once granted, map basic controls so steering wheel buttons, knobs, or touchscreen input control the Android interface properly. Finally, make the dongle the default input and reboot the head unit and dongle to lock in settings. Test navigation, audio routing, microphone input for calls, and Bluetooth handoff. Make sure volume and microphone gain are acceptable. If something fails, no audio, lag, or control mismatch, first swap the USB cable, confirm firmware is current, then repair devices. If problems persist, collect diagnostic logs or screenshots and contact the dongle maker. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.